All right, folks, heading out to the great outdoors of Nashville, Indiana, January 20th, 2025. And the temperature is now a robust 3 degrees. Was able to start the pilot right up, but we're having a little difficulty with the new Honda Pioneer 700 quick flip side-by-side. It doesn't want to quite start. And I'm not blaming it all on it, because I ran it down to about a half a tank of fuel, and I don't know what kind of fuel they had in it or if there was any additive in the fuel like I put in my vehicles and in my fuel tank. And I told myself I should have put some fuel in it when I was thinking about it yesterday, and I just didn't. So we'll go ahead and see if she warmed up any. Ooh. Now I was out here a few minutes ago and tried to start it. I was out here for like 4 minutes trying to start it. It would not start. So we'll let this warm up for a few minutes and see how she goes. It's the first time I've filled it. Where is the gas tank? Where, oh, where is the fuel tank? Oh, where may it be? Where is that fuel tank? Okay. When in doubt, investigate it out. All right, where's the fuel tank? Is that the fuel tank? Yeah, it looks like the fuel tank. Down there, and there. Yeah, found that. All right. Anybody see a fuel tank? I do not. Anything that resembles a fuel tank filler-upper? I do not. This can't be that difficult, folks. Guess there is. Ah! It's always the last place you look. It's right here. Right here where it's supposed to be. Add. So what we use here on Peterson Farms in Nashville for our regular gasoline storage is Stable 360. I've been using it for 6 years nonstop. And whatever fuel that I've used it in, it never fails to start or have a problem. So why should I stop using it? I'm a little fired up this morning because I watched the Kid Rock concert, but I sure like how he gets the crowd moving, and I like listening to him. Uh-oh, we have got a full fuel tank. I should have been paying attention and not talking to you all. So it's your fault. Just joking. The smell of gasoline in the morning. Gotta love that. Oh, I forgot. The one thing they left for me to do is Oh. So now we're going to go ahead and take a journey up to the top of the hill.
Is this where you've been playing?
Something in there, I don't know. It's got a full tank of fuel. Well, I'm not impressed with the Honda startup capabilities with the electronic fuel ignition. Sort of disappointed. No difference than yesterday. Let's put it in neutral. Yeah, that just very disappointing. some muddy stuff.
Mud.
Be careful here.
Why?
Because those reds will catch you. I'm telling you, man. I think this needs to be.
Yeah.
I got
And then kill it down.
needs to go that way. Yeah. Yeah, it's. I think it's fun.
Yeah.
This needs.
This will work out fine.
Okay, this is the fourth or fifth morning. I can't remember now. It's 19 degrees out, so much warmer than the previous mornings. We'll go ahead and let the fuel pump kick on. Let's see if it starts. Alright, well, it started. So I don't know. It must just be the very cold temperatures. 10 or below, this thing struggles to start. Gonna have to find out more about that and why.